Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Richard Okere Jr. I'm going to be showing you how to create a pretty link. So if you have a link that is long, dirty, and you want it to be easy to remember and customized with your website, that is what a pretty link is called, and you can create it from your website where it's going to have something like your website.com /username /keyword. Okay, so you go to your WordPress dashboard by going to your sitename.com /wp admin and click on login. Type in your login details. So once you are logged in, the first thing that you will do is to go and install a plugin called Pretty Link. So I'll find plugins by the left, then click on add new. Then I'll search for Pretty Link. Okay, all right, it will come up here. So because okay, so that's Pretty Link. So because I already have it installed, I just update this one. I don't need to install it again on my WordPress. So once it is updated, you go to the left, you see Pretty Link menu there, click on it and click on add new. Just hover your mouse on it and click on add new. So on the next page, you give the link a name. So this is for detox. I'll call this detox challenge, for a detox challenge. Then our direction will be permanent, and then the target URL is the link I want to redirect everybody who clicks on the Pretty Link to. Okay, so it could be on your website, it could be outside of your website. So that's the link. Then I'll put the pretty link that I want customized to my website. Okay, that is /detox. So anybody who goes to this particular link will be redirected to this one. Okay, yes. So once I'm done with that, I will hit on publish, update, or publish. So once that is done, there you have the link by the right there. So I can copy that link, click inside and copy it. Then I will go to okay, that's the link, soprecious.com/detox. So that's the pretty link that I'll be using. We can test it out by going to put it on our address bar. See, that's the link, that's the page. Thank you very much.